Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most in-depth and unbiased beauty reviews. If you're on the hunt for a night cream that promises to turn back the clock on your skin, you may have heard about Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This product claims to smooth wrinkles, even out skin tone, and firm the skin, all while you sleep. But does it really live up to its promises? Let's dive in and find out. Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Night Cream is designed to address several key signs of aging. With a combination of ingredients like vitamin C, glycerin, and shea butter, it promises to hydrate the skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and restore firmness. This 1.7-ounce jar is marketed as a moisturizing solution for both men and women, making it a versatile addition to anyone's skincare routine. In terms of performance, I've had the chance to incorporate this cream into my nightly routine for several weeks now. The texture is rich but not overly greasy, which I appreciate. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated without a heavy residue. The scent is light, almost neutral, so it doesn't interfere with any other skincare products I might be using. Now, let's talk results. Over the course of about 4 weeks, I did notice some improvements in the texture and overall appearance of my skin. It felt smoother, and my skin tone looked more even. As for firmness, I did see a subtle difference. My skin felt more plump and youthful. While I wouldn't say it completely erased fine lines, it did help minimize their appearance, especially around my forehead and the outer corners of my eyes. As with any product, there are a few things to consider. One of the pros is definitely the hydrating formula. My skin feels nourished overnight, which is essential for my dry skin. The cream doesn't irritate or cause breakouts, which can be an issue with some anti-aging products. The fact that it works for both face and neck is a huge plus, as it allows me to treat both areas at once without using multiple products. On the flip side, the price might be a little steep for some, given that there are many other night creams on the market with similar claims. Additionally, while it does help with smoothing and firming, it's not a miracle product. Don't expect overnight results. This cream takes consistent use to see noticeable changes. In terms of value for money, I think Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Night Cream offers a solid formula at a relatively accessible price point for an anti-aging product. You're getting vitamin C for brightening, glycerin and shea butter for moisture, and Hexinol technology to target aging skin. Given that this product can improve skin tone and texture, I'd say it provides good value, especially if you're looking for a reliable nighttime moisturizer. When comparing this product to others in the market, you'll find that Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Night Cream stands out in terms of its balance between performance and price. There are other high-end options that might have more potent active ingredients, but for those on a budget, this product is a great middle ground. As for build quality, the jar is sturdy and practical, though some might prefer a pump for better hygiene. The longevity of the product is decent, and you can expect a month's worth of use from this 1.7-ounce jar, depending on how much you use each night. Neutrogena's customer service is known for being responsive, and if you ever have an issue with the product, I feel confident that the brand would be quick to assist. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some options out there that are more budget-friendly. Brands like Olay and L'Oreal offer night creams with similar ingredients, but at a slightly lower price. These options may not have the same targeted Hexinol technology, but they can still provide visible anti-aging results. To wrap up, Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream delivers on its promises to hydrate, firm, and even skin tone. It's not a magic cure for deep wrinkles, but it does offer a noticeable improvement in texture and tone with consistent use. This cream is best suited for those looking for an effective, budget-friendly night cream with solid, proven ingredients. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description or comments below. And if you've tried Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Night Cream, drop a comment and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.